What's going on, Hick Squad? We're here with another video. In today's video, the parts that finally came in for Clifford 2.0. Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys some parts that came in for the red truck for Clifford 2.0. I still got more parts on order, and yeah, so I'm going to show you guys some of these parts that came in, and we still got a lot more to do, a lot more to come in, and we ran into a massive problem with this truck. And as you guys can see, we got the Rolling Big Power license plate, which is pretty sweet. I replaced my Clifford one I had. That thing was getting kind of old and everything. I had to go back down to Old Town in Florida and get another one. But we're coming into the inside. My gauges ain't installed yet. I still haven't found a place down here in southern Georgia that actually install my gauges for me. But we're coming here to the inside. And here is the RBP, Rolling Big Power pedals. The brake pedal and the gas pedal. All this does is slides over your factory pedals. So your factory pedals are behind here, and they just slide. They have little creases and all that stuff. They just slide right over your factory pedals. So I think that was pretty sweet. And they have a hitch too that I ordered, and it's not in yet, but we need to replace that tiny little hitch there, because that's not my style. But they got the hitch at the AutoZone out in town, so I'm gonna go and probably get that soon, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. But yeah, we got the new license plate, and we got the new pedals that slide over your factory pedals, and we ran into a massive problem on the ECM on this truck. It's gonna cost me $300, knowing I really don't want to spend that much. But yeah, the truck would crank, but it won't turn over to where it starts. It just sits there, dun 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 dun. And we replaced the fuel pump, we replaced the fuel filter, and we replaced the new batteries. Yeah, that's what it is. New batteries, and the truck still won't crank. And we tried spraying some of that starter fluid into the intake, and it starts, but it don't. And I think it has a problem to do with this, the tuner, but I'm not too sure. Maybe that's a problem. I'm really not too sure. But yeah, so that's the update on the truck so far of what the new stuff that we bought so far for the truck. And I might take you guys along too, because there is a truck that I might be looking at, and a new one, since you guys know I sold my other one, which was my black truck. If you guys want to see that video, look down in the description. I'll put it down there so you guys can check that video out. But yeah, I might be going looking at another truck, so I might take you guys along and add it into this video. But yeah, that's Clifford so far. New license plate and new pedals. I got new emblems that are be coming up soon that we're going to put on the truck with some stickers and all that fun jazz. So make sure you guys stay tuned, because we're going to go to the dealership and take a look at this truck. And I've seen pictures of it, and it's alright, but for the price they're asking for it, it's not that bad. So yeah, that's the new stuff we got so far on order. Alright guys, the first problem is Right here, that's all paint fade, and the tail light, and a stock tail light. Two different type of tail lights on the truck, and they have a smoked out third brake light. But you come down here, the truck is tuned, is deleted. It's got some fuel wheels, and it's debadged. It's got little marks right there as well. Tinted windows, tinted 5-star. It's not a bad truck. If you guys want me to do a review video on this whole entire truck, if you guys want me to do a whole review video on this truck, I certainly can do it. I'll just make it a separate video. But yeah, I just came here to look at this truck. I saw it on the website and I was like, yeah, this thing looks pretty sweet. So I came here to check it out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll check you guys on the next video. 4th gen Cummins, baby.